What's going on, guys and gals? My name is William Clark. Welcome to day 5? I don't know, day 4, day 5. I think 5. I've looked back at the fucking footage, you know, that I've done. Alright, so actually, 7. Okay, so actually this is day 4? I'll find out, because today is Wednesday. Wednesday. This is day 4, 5, 6. That should be 6. Oh yeah, hold on. So I started back in Thursday. 4 days ago. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 4 days. 5 days is Monday, 6 days is Tuesday. 7 days! Fuck! I'm always doing that. What am I doing with my life? Shit. Fuck. Poopy sprinkle. This is definitely gonna be one of the start this video. I guess hold on, wait, okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll be day 5. Yeah, day 5 sounds legit. Oh! If it turns out I'm wrong, I don't care, okay? I don't care. Fuck the numbers. Fuck the numbers. Who the fuck cares about numbers? Fuck, no, shit. Go back to color. There you go. Fuck the numbers. I don't care about numbers. Numbers are not good. I don't care about them. And I'm a thing. Damn it, you! Fuck. Okay, so put that there. Put that there. Put the bill. I don't even care. I'm not gonna be bothering this. I'm gonna. Oh, I'm crazy. I still gotta make another video after the Animal Crossing one, and damn, girl, you a fluff ball. What? What time is it in this game? I don't. Purple pants are not pants that are purple, but rather they're pants that are purple and colors you don't give a shit about. So you add the colors you don't give a shit about. Squirrel! It's about life. Purple pants. It looks like a fucking GameCube. Actually, not my GameCube. It looks like a friend of one of my friends' GameCube. I like my pink. Whatever. Okay. So what? Hey, don't you glitch? Don't you glitch without my say so. Ranch here. Send them to the ranch. Send them to the ranch, guys and gals. If you don't get that joke, you're fucking crazy. But if you get the joke, you're fucking awesome. If not, well, I guess I'll explain it. So there were a couple of videos. PewDiePie has basically saying, as like I guess as a running joke or something like that. Whenever a kid does something on Dr. Phil or whatever, is just leading, send him to the ranch. Sounds legit to me. Go in now. I think it closes at 10. Okay, so we get that, and we put that. What the fuck am I doing? Why am I meowing? Am I sounding like a constipated cat? Why is it 8 o'clock in the game? Why is it almost... Oh! Damn it! Sorry, what is with my mind today? I can't even think straight. You're gonna get all these notifications saying I upload an Animal Crossing video, I upload some more Animal Crossing videos. That's all I do with my life now. Just play Animal Crossing. I have no patience to make an Animal Crossing channel. I'd love to, play Animal Crossing my whole life, but there's other games I want to play. I could be doing nothing but Animal Crossing on one channel and then just play nothing but every single video game known to man on this channel. But at the same time, I also want to be playing Animal Crossing on this channel too, but I don't know. My mind is... I'm not going to make another channel. Don't worry. I'm just going to fucking do whatever it is I'm doing. Because I know for a while I actually used to do that gaming channel, which is now my backup channel in case anything happens to this channel. I got other shit. Alright? I got other shit to do. And by shit, I mean things. And things are shit. And shit are things. And don't fuck up, Fluttershy, okay? You don't want to fuck up anything. Yay! Put that in his ass. I have no life. I'm playing Animal Crossing my life away. I don't know, was that good? Was that bad? Was that something? I don't know. But I was thinking about nipples. Yeah. Why do men have nipples? Right? What purpose do our nipples serve? If women can squirt milk out their tits, why can't us men do that? I know we're not pregnant, but damn. Eee, don't talk to me, bird! I'm gonna slip you my bird! I'm like an ostrich or whatever the fuck you are. I don't want to talk to you. I'm collecting my money. Eee, boom! I'm crazy. I know, I've lost it. I lost my fucking mind. I never had a mind to begin with. I just went insane. I'm playing some video games that are not Animal Crossing. I'm not going to be playing Animal Crossing for a while. Actually, at least until next Sunday. But you will still be seeing uploads of Animal... Actually, no, that's not going to be the case. I'm not... At least until the end of, Friday, maybe Saturday is when I'm going to be going back to Animal Crossing. I mean, I might as well get 2 more days out to apologize for the lack of uploads of Animal Crossing and stuff like that. However, I just don't know why I'm lazy. Alright, I don't know why I'm lazy with these Animal Crossing videos. I mean, look at this. I mean, it's a good game. It's kind of boring, too. I mean, you're just doing all this all the damn time. You're just gonna fucking... going a fucking circle. There we go. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. Let's break the door. Let's break the door. 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 Break it. Break it. Run! Anything good going on with the bulletin board? Versus Ponyville. Spring sports season upon us. Stretch those winter weary limbs and take part in this annual spring sports. Rainbow Dash YouTube has made this announcement. Who wants to play my little game? Nah. Would you like to play a game? Nah. I don't want to play a game. I'm already playing one. Fucking Animal Crossing. Oh, back in the 80s. I ain't gonna get one. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. Yeah, fuck it. I will see you all the next day, I'm gonna be fucking half-assing these videos, making them shorter, so I can mass upload these fucking days. Oh, yeah, my butthole. Ah! Okay, that was weird. Nintendo, Mom. Yay!
And as always, I'll see y'all next video and the next day. Peace out, people, and bro, boom!